Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shah, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shah. All praise to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shah, Bahashem Kakadash. Yahweh be in the name of the Heavenly Father. Yahweh Shah be in the name of His only begotten Son, who they evenly call Jesus Christ. Now, when you're thinking about the future of America, it's being plastered all over the news that there's a war going on in Ukraine, and the Russians that's a part of the war, they saying they not fighting against the Ukrainians, they fighting against the West and America. So we are in the midst of a war as we speak. See, the war has already begun with these two powerful nations, Russia and America. And all of these wars is being prophesied in the Bible. Now let me get that. And let's see, Jeremiah 28:8. It says, the prophets that have been before me and before thee of old both prophesied against many countries and against great kingdoms of war and of evil and of pestilence. So the prophets always prophesied against these countries like America and these great kingdoms like the kingdom of the Edomites, which they was given a blessing to have from our father Isaac. And this blessing allowed them to have dominion over the whole world. And so you got the Americans and the Russians, the children of Esau, the children of Edom. They are going to war against each other. Now when you go into 2nd Ezra 15:1, it says, behold, speak thou in the ears of my people the words of prophecy which I will put in your mouth, says the Lord. It says, and cause them to be written in paper, for they are faithful and true. Fear not the imaginations against thee. Let not the incredulity or the unbelief of them trouble you that speak against you. For all the unfaithful shall die in their unfaithfulness. Behold, says the Lord, I will bring plagues upon the world. The sword, famine, and death. So that sword is talking about these nuclear missiles that's been thrown around in conversation. And it's going to cause death to come on the earth and destruction to these wicked nations that's ruling the earth. And that's what we're seeing with America. Now, when you jump over to 16 and say, verse 1, woe be unto thee, Babylon. That means destruction to Babylon. Babylon now is talking about America, Babylon the Great. You see, and pretty much the whole nation of Edom. It says, in Asia, woe be unto thee, Egypt and Syria. Egypt is another word for America and the land of bondage. See, when you jump down to verse 3, it says, a sword is sent upon you, and who shall turn it back? See, who's going to stop this cold war that's going on, and really the war has become hot? Who's going to stop this war between the Edomites or the Russians and the Americans. See, nobody's going to stop this war. Look at verse 8. It say, the mighty Lord sendeth the plagues, and who is he that can drive them away? See, the Lord is causing these two nations to fight against each other. Look at verse 13 and say, for strong is his right hand that bendeth the bow, and his arrows that he shoot are straight, and shall not miss when they begin to be shot into the ends of the world. So these nuclear missiles is going to be shot to the ends of the world. You see, now who made these weapons? Why is these weapons? Why is this the strategy that the Lord is going to use to destroy America? 16, he said, behold, I have created the smith that bloweth the coals in the fire. So he said he created the one who created the weapon, and that brings forth the instrument for his work. And I have created the waster to destroy. So he created this weapon to destroy. Look at verse 17. No weapon. So we talking about a weapon that is formed. See, he's forming this weapon to destroy these nuclear weapons. He the one taking the credit. He say, I have created. See, not the so-called Edomites who got their nuclear plants and they creating these nuclear missiles. No, the Lord is creating these weapons. But these weapons is not going to touch the elect of the nation of Israel. See, they're not going to destroy the elect, but they meant to destroy the wicked. Okay, what else we got with these nuclear missiles? Isaiah 34 and 5, it says, for my sword, what sword? The nuclear missiles. For my sword shall be bathed in heaven. They're going to be in the sky. They're going to be all through the sky. Behold, it shall come down upon Idumea. Idumea is Edom, the children of Esau, the children of Edom, and upon the people of my curse to judgment. See, the destruction of America is going to be the judgment of the Lord. And when he sends this judgment, nobody's going to be able to turn it away. Verse 6, the sword of the Lord is filled with blood. It is made fat with fatness, and with the blood of lambs and goats, with the fat of kidneys and rams. For the Lord has a sacrifice in Basra. Basra is the United States of America, the capital city of the Edomites, the throne of iniquity, and a great slaughter in the land of Idumea. So this is going to be a slaughter. See, and so let's see here. Let's get Isaiah 26, I think. Let's try 24 first. Now, hold on. Let me go ahead and get verse 1. Say, behold, the Lord maketh the earth empty, and make it waste, turn it upside down, and scatter the inhabitants thereof. How he gonna scatter the inhabitants thereof? Okay, let's get right to the point. He says in verse 20, the earth shall be, you know what, that's not the verse I wanted. I want, and this is not even a book. I want Jeremiah 25 and 33. It says, and the slain of the Lord shall be at that day from one end of the earth upon the other end, even unto the other end of the earth. They shall not lament, nor gather, nor bury. They shall be they shall be dung upon the earth, upon the ground. So this is pretty much talking about when those nuclear missiles hit, it's going to be many that's going to be slain. Now let me get my 66. Might have been 65. Nope, 66:15. It say, for behold, the Lord will come with fire. See, he's bringing fire through those nuclear missiles, and with the chariots like a whirlwind, to render his anger with fury and his rebuke with flames of fire. For by fire and by his sword. See, that sword that was bathed in heaven in Isaiah 34 is talking about fire. For by fire and by his sword will the Lord please with all flesh, and the slain of the Lord shall be many. You see, so real quick, just want to bring that out. Let's get Judges 5 and 11. It says, they that are delivered from the noise of the archers in the places of drawn water, there shall they rehearse the righteous acts of the Lord, even the righteous acts toward the inhabitants of his villages in Israel. Then shall the people of the Lord go down to Egypt. So the elect is going of the nation of Israel is going to be rehearsing the righteous acts, and they going to be delivered from the noise of the archers, from the nuclear missiles saying boom, boom, boom. See the noise of the archers. Let's get that in 2 Peter. Look at what it says about the end. It says, especially the end of Esau's kingdom, but the heavens and the earth, which are now by the same word, are kept in store, restored unto fire against the day of judgment and perdition of ungodly men. Okay. It says, verse 10, but the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in which the heavens shall pass away with a great noise. See the noise of the archer. That's going to be a boom. But the elect is going to be delivered from the noise. And the elements shall melt with fervent heat, and the earth also and the works therein shall burn them up. See, they going to be burnt up with them nuclear missiles. And real quick, Revelation. What would they 17:16, saying the 10 horns which thou sawest upon the beast, these shall hate the whore, and shall make her desolate and naked, and shall eat her flesh, and burn her with fire. So this great city, America, is going to be burnt with fire, and nothing these dragons can do to stop it. See, and ain't no way for them to protect themselves. You see, and those 10 horns is 10 kings. Look at verse 12. These 10 horns which thou saw are 10 kings. Them 10 kings is going to shoot missiles over here to America and blow them to smithereens. And the elect is going to escape from the noise of the archer. But I'm going to leave it there. All praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Kakadash. Double honors to the elders pushing the truth. Peace to the elect worldwide, the blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, descendants of slaves scattered around the globe on slave ships and through many captivities. Our kingdom is at hand. Shalom.